Want to start a YouTube channel and turn your passion into a steady income? Don't rush in blindly. The best tips to help you grow fast and earn big are right here. Watch before uploading your first video. Pick a specific niche. Choose one topic you love and know well. A focused niche helps you stand out and grow faster. Define your target audience. Know who you're talking to, age, gender, and country. This helps you create content that truly connects. Choose a short, unique channel name. Your channel name should be short, easy to remember, and clearly related to your niche. Plan your branding. Use 2 to 3 consistent colors, choose a clean font, and create a clear logo and banner to make your channel look professional. Use basic but quality equipment. Start simple. A decent phone camera, an external mic, and good lighting go a long way. Plan 1 year of content. Prepare a 12-month content calendar. Plan and batch your videos to stay ahead and reduce stress. Maintain consistency. Upload 1 or 2 videos every week and a couple of shorts. Consistency builds trust and momentum. Connect with other platforms. Link your YouTube to Instagram, Facebook, and more to grow faster and reach a wider audience. Learn basic SEO. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Custom thumbnails and smart titles help you get noticed. Prepare before launch. Don't wait until launch day. Have 4 to 6 videos ready so you can post consistently from day 1. Start smart, not just fast. Follow these 10 tips and give your channel the best chance to grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube success tips.